What? Oh. They're the same one that as licorice. Licorice is good. Rainbows are good. Last time we saw rainbow. Rainbow? Yeah. Yeah, when it's raining and we just saw a rainbow.
Really?
Two more.
Why do you smack like that, Malia? Really?
Because I like to.
Well, no, because it's rude. And it sounds nasty. You chew with your mouth closed.
Baby Bertha.
You could drink
Dude,
it.
you need to slow down, man.
I know he's getting down with that thing.
Jump, jump, jump rope. Oh my gosh, jump, jump, jump rope. This is the jump rope. And it was like this. Jump, jump, rope, rope. Jump rope. Jump rope,
Oops.
jump rope.
You're already down to half of
Your
it.
taste. Let me taste yours.
Blaine. Little Blaine.
Mm.
Hi.
It's still delicious. So yummy.
Can I have a bite? No, I'm recording you. Hi, Bryn.
Hi, Leia.
Do you like your candy?
Hi, Dad. Hi. Hi. What's your name?